Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're trying to build a website in 2025 and can't decide between Weebly and WordPress, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down Weebly versus WordPress to help you figure out which one is better for your needs. Let's jump right in. First off, Weebly is all about simplicity. It's a drag and drop platform that's perfect for beginners. If you're not tech savvy, Weebly lets you create a professional looking site in minutes without touching any code. It's got built-in templates, e-commerce tools, and mobile optimization, making it ideal for small businesses or personal blogs. Plus, it's affordable, with plans starting at just a few dollars a month. However, if you want advanced customization, Weebly might feel limiting since it doesn't support as many plugins or themes as its competitor. On the other hand, WordPress has been a powerhouse since its inception and continues to dominate in 2025 with its vast ecosystem. It's open source, meaning it's free to use, but you'll need to handle your own hosting and security. WordPress offers thousands of plugins and themes, allowing for endless customization. Whether you're running a complex e-commerce store or a dynamic news site, WordPress scales beautifully. But here's the catch: it has a steeper learning curve. You'll need to learn about updates, SEO plugins, and potential security risks, which can be overwhelming for newcomers. So, which one wins? It really depends on you. If you're a beginner looking for a quick and easy setup, go with Weebly. It's user-friendly and requires less maintenance. But if you're tech-inclined and want flexibility for growth, WordPress is the way to go. In 2025, both platforms have improved with AI integrations, Weebly for automated design suggestions and WordPress for smarter content management. Ultimately, test both with their free trials and see what fits. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech comparisons, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.